Kiki.
Rickey,
What's up,
y'all?
Kiki? Kiki, how you doing this morning?
I'm doing good because I still got like $200.
You feel like what?
You got leftover stimulus money?
$200 from my stimulus.
Oh, you got $600 left?
200.
Oh,
Damn.
200.
How much did you?
Yeah.
How much did you get?
I got 3. They told me to wait because I can't prove my fourth child. So.
Oh, man. Who took you to get your check?
My homegirl. My homegirl, Fat Tasha.
Where's she at? Are you?
Huh?
Where is she?
We is in the car wash because she got a babe.
What's wrong, Gary?
She got a babe.
Yeah.
I'm so frustrated.
Fantastic. You know Fantastic don't ever get out the car.
I'm so frustrated. Oh, my God.
Well, y'all, Fantastic. Let me see the Fantastic.
Hold on. She washing. Hold up.
What, Rick? I'm trying to take a bath.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Where y'all going? Where you take?
Under my arm. Get my arm.
Girl, wash yourself. She getting water on me. She getting water all on me.
Fantastic. Why you want to just go home and take a bath? Why you taking a bath in the car wash, Fantastic?
It's easy this way, Ricky. Dang, I can't get out the PT Cruiser. It's so comfortable sitting down because I ain't got no bench for my shower. So it's so comfortable sitting down.
You just ride through and let the windows down?
Somebody help me. I need a life jacket.
So, Fantastic, how many errands you ran yesterday? Because you never get out of your car. I mean, and you and Kiki running errands. What errands did you run yesterday, and where you and Kiki going this morning, Fantastic?
Well, if the car wash looked like it broke, man, if I can get out of here, I can get Kiki to the WIC. She got a WIC appointment.
Which I'm not going to make.
And yesterday I took my cousin to Nassau, and so.
Wait a minute, y'all went to Nassau, Bahamas?
Yeah, I drove to Nassau, and so that took all day.
And a PT Cruiser?
Yes, it float. Damn, you act like you never had nobody. You act like you never had no damn body drive. You to the Bahamas.
Fantastic. How you your PT cruise? I didn't know PT cruisers float.
Yeah, you just got to let the airbags out, and then the car won't go under the water. Kiki act like she never felt no water in this damn car. That's why this car wash pissed off. But yeah, I drove to the Bahamas and I'm supposed to circle back because some people I met over there want me to bring them over to Florida, so I'm gonna go over there.
So you had to bring some people from Nassau back to Florida?
They got gas money. I drive them. I drive them.
Why you breathing so hard?
Don't say that no more. Don't say that no more.
I drive them.
Fantastic. Yeah. All right, Fantastic. Make sure you put your seatbelt on and you and Kiki be safe.
Stop breathing so hard.
Look at the glove compartment, Kiki. Get the dish detergent.
So, Fantastic, if anybody needs transportation, how do they reach you, Fantastic?
Just look for my license plate, PHATTTT. A great PT Cruise. I drive.